Akiaria hindi ya kuhinga kigomano kia makomanda a borithi kiria gikoretwo gigithii na mbere mwena wa Mombasa, munene wa borithi guku bururi-ini niwe Douglas Kanja ni arutite mukana kuri aria othe megukorwo magitumura ngahiha micemanio-ini ya giuteti, akiuga onao ni megukorwo makioerwo ikinya ihiu ria kiwatho.
Goons, from whichever angle you look at it, these are criminals. And these commanders, all of them, they have gotten it very clear from myself. I have directed that there is no commander who is going to allow his area to have these criminal goons. Because it is simple, goons and they are criminals. Period. Police deals with criminals.
Kanja thiete na mbere na kuuga thirikari ni igukorwo igithuthuria aria makoretwo magitwara andu bururi-ini wa Russia, akiuga wona uthuthuria warika ni megukorwo makioerwo ikinya ihiu ria kiwatho.
On matters Russia, for those for people who are there or stuck there, we are doing a lot actually to get to the bottom of this matter, and a lot of inquiries are ongoing. I know the DCI is very busy in that direction, and at the end of the day, we are going to get to know who did what, who played which role, and so forth and so forth. Any person who has committed a crime in that direction, then you have a day in court.
Oho Kanja oigete ni nginya aruti wira ruhonge-ini rwa nduthi meyandikithie niguo kuhuthia miethere ya ekinai aria makoretwo makihithania na akui a nduthi.
We want all the borders to be registered with various stages so that the National Police Service can actually be able to deal with the leaderships of the borders. And that way, when they become self-regulating, these incidences that we have been witnessing, being caused by some of criminals that are, hiding in the border area, which is a very, very important economic sector of our people. They need not to get space in that. And so, by registering everybody within the various areas of the border, then we'll, at the end of the day, ensure that all the criminals are rooted out.
Kanja no arutite mukana kuri nyanake cia gutharikira andu na mabanga mwena wa Gicua-ini, akiuga thirikari ndikunoga gwethana nao nginya itigirire ni mahuka kaimana.
Vaga boys and many other criminals around these areas and elsewhere in the Republic of Kenya. First of all, I must say that their days are numbered. Their days are numbered. We want a situation whereby no Kenyan will look over his shoulder or her shoulder because he feels that he is not secure. So, all those criminals, whether you are paga welding, whether you are crab welding, or anything else, you must take note that we will not give you space for that.
Andu-ini ha Inoro TV kuma guku Gicua-ini kaunti ya Mombasa, nie njĩtagwo Francis Madi.